Aloha. Good evening. This is Howley Norm coming to you from the Big Island of Hawaii. And I decided I was going to do some weed eating and check on my bird of paradise, a hedge that I was trying to grow. And I got disappointed, that's for sure. So the pigs have been in my yard. I didn't know it. Well, I got up here just a little bit and realized that the pigs have been here. So we've had a whole lot of pigs this year, and they came up. I don't know where they came through the woods at. Probably right back through there. Right back through that hole. But they went around this tree and they did a lot of digging here, and they wiped out my bananas. Yep. Totally wiped out my bananas. But what really disappointed me was I looked over here at my bird of paradise hedge, and that's it. That's the hedge. There's the plants. They went through and ripped up every single bit of it, all the way through. They missed this little spot right here for the most part. But yeah, they destroyed all of the bird of paradise planting. So I guess I'm going to have to get up here and try to see what I can salvage. Nature is a great thing, but I ain't turning my dog loose on them. So, yep. Had a lot of feral pigs this year, and this is the first time that they've actually come into my property and destroyed anything. But I'll be able to salvage a lot of these plants. Just work that I didn't plan on doing. And they had to come through right here. Yeah, I was on the porch and I noticed I couldn't see my bananas. Well, now I know why. The pigs came in and trampled them down. Just killed all my banana trees. They weren't very good, but the pigs got them. Aloha for now. Y'all have a good evening.